To set wired headphones volume level automatically in specific time, in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the off screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Turn on Bixby routines. Tap Bixby routines switch until blue to turn on, and then tap Bixby routines. Tap Bixby routines plus icon. If select what will trigger this routine, tap plus icon again, and then select time. On start, enter your start routine, for example 4 o'clock, and on end time, enter your end time routine you want, for example 7 o'clock, and then you can also repeat these settings, this routine. For example, I want to repeat in Tuesday, Friday, and Sunday. Tap done. If you finish, adjust the settings, and then tap next. Then select what this routine will do. Tap plus icon, scroll down, select media volume, and then on wired headphones, tap drag length to the right to increase volume, or drag to the left to decrease volume. Okay, and then tap done. Media volume wired headphones 5%. To edit, tap media volume, and then drag to the right or to the left wired headphones, then tap done. Wired headphones 100%, tap done, and then enter your routine name, for example wired headphone. And then tap done. Then wired headphone save. Wired headphone. If time is 4 until 7 o'clock in every Sunday, Tuesday, and Friday, and then wired headphones volume is 100%. You can also enable or disable running notification. To enable, tap running notification switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until white. If you enable running notification, system will be show an ongoing notification whenever this routine is running. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.